What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to get copyright-free music for YouTube videos and shorts. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Pixabay.com is our #1 platform of choice to get copyright-free music for YouTube videos and shorts. On the homepage, you can either select the copyright-free music category from the drop-down menu located right next to the search bar, or select the music category from the options available below. With that done, search for any music genre you prefer, for instance rock, and hit enter. On the results page, you will see a wide selection of audio tracks that you can download for free. Use these songs and audio effects with caution. Most of them should not result in a copyright strike if you use them in your videos. But you should still watch out not to use licensed songs. It's recommended to credit the original creators on your YouTube videos and shorts descriptions. In case you don't find the right copyright-free music tracks for your videos, then you can make use of Mixkit.co. Like Pixabay, Mixkit has a big library of copyright-free music that you can use in your YouTube videos and shorts. Select music from the drop-down menu located right next to the search bar, or select one from the list of options available below the search bar. Search for the sound you're looking for and proceed to test various audio clips that pop up on the results page. Download the one you like and feel free to use it in your YouTube videos and shorts. Just like before, to be on the safe side, remember to credit the creators in your YouTube videos and shorts. Lastly, if your budget allows it, then you can also use Soundraw.io. It's a paid AI sound generator that delivers you the exact sound you're looking for. It is a very effective tool for generating music for your YouTube channel and guarantees that you're allowed to use the music in your YouTube videos. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.